Hello and welcome. Push-ups is a simple and basic exercise, but it can be used to train many muscle groups like your abdominal muscles, your shoulders, your biceps, your triceps, your shoulder blades, or your back, if done in an effective way. But the problem with the push-ups is that most people don't perform it in the correct way, hence they do not achieve the expected results from it. So we will be discussing some common errors that people do while performing push-ups and their corrections. Well, if that sounds good, let's go for it. Moving on to the first one is your motion. Well, most of the people either they do not go all the way down or they don't go all the way up while performing push-ups. Well, don't cheat in the motion because it is the biggest mistake which is holding you from getting the maximum benefits from a push-up. The best motion in a push-up is to go all the way down until your chest area almost touches the floor, and to go all the way up until your shoulder blades get fully extended. Moving on to the next one is arched back. Well, performing push-ups with an arched back is nearly useless as it do not engage your abdominal muscles at all, and besides that it creates an unnecessary load on your lower spine, which may lead to many spine related problems like lower back pain or some chronic injury. In order to correct it, the best way is to squeeze your glutes tight and tilt your pelvis backwards, which will automatically engage your abdominal muscles. Moving on to the next one is flared elbows. Every person has some limited internal rotation range of their shoulders, and flaring out your elbows generally causes discomfort in most of the people as it may irritate the muscles around your rotator cuff. So, in order to fix it, the best way is to tuck your elbows inwards and to find an angle which suits your shoulders the best in order to make them last for life. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you found it helpful, and if you want a detailed discussion about any topic or any movement, be sure to leave a comment below, and be sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more future updates.